Hey foodies, today we're making the creamiest chicken Alfredo. Start by melting butter in a skillet over medium heat. While the butter is melting, cook your pasta according to the package instructions in a separate pot. Once the butter has melted, add in some minced garlic and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes while stirring. Now, slowly add in some heavy cream while stirring continuously. Keep stirring while you pour the cream into the skillet. After the cream, add in grated Parmesan cheese while continuing to stir. Okay, here is our secret ingredient. It is actually white American cheese. I promise it's gonna make your sauce so much creamier. Sprinkle with some freshly cracked black pepper and stir to combine. Finally, add in the cooked pasta and mix it well with the sauce. Don't forget to add in some sliced pan-fried chicken. Top off the dish with extra Alfredo and parsley to taste. And there you have it, a delicious, creamy pasta dish with pan-fried chicken that's easy to make and perfect for any occasion.